really am like so upset. I can't even tell you how upset I am. Like, you guys, I cleaned my whole apartment. The water in Jersey tastes very chlorine-like. We're about to wrap last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good morning, vlog. It is around like 5:30 a.m. I'm doing my 9-mile run. I'll see you after I'm done. Guys, I'm about to lose it. I'm doing my run and my watch stopped. Oh my gosh, like I'm really trying to hold this anger and I really am like so upset. I can't even tell you how upset I am. Like, I don't even know if it. So I ran for what it says about like 497, put 490, just because I'm considering the walk to the gym. Then I guess I'll just do the rest tomorrow, which honestly I guess is fine. Oh gosh, you know, I was planning on doing 9 miles today, and technically no long run this week. And I wanted to do another lifting workout, but that's not gonna happen. So right now I'm just gonna go take a shower, take the dog out, clean. I don't know, I'm just so bummed. I hate when things don't go the way I planned. I'm such a Virgo that but I'm not gonna let it get me down. Let me tell you, I am manifesting. Okay, so it's like 3 o'clock. I have not updated you guys. I've cleaned my whole apartment. I done the dishes, some laundry's in there, cleaned the bathroom, mopped, vacuumed, and now I'm gonna cook food. I literally have nothing to eat, so I'm just gonna have to be creative and see what I have. I think I'm gonna make like a lentil stew type thing with some white rice. I only have 1 pot, so this is gonna be difficult, so bear with me. Watching the K-drama Boyfriend on Demand, it's so good. I think it's the same actor from Bon Appetit, Your Majesty. She's incredible. She makes me laugh. Like, she's so cute. Like, her comedic acting is superb. I think the way she embodies each character is really funny and fun. So I'm gonna make a lentil chili. I'll make that first and then I'll make the rice after because I only have 1 pot. LOL. I need to buy more pots. Okay, so I made some rice and then some vegan chili. It's 4 something. I'm gonna take Fox out soon. Tomorrow I'm gonna pick up some tomato sauce and then make spaghetti for my second dinner. I usually make 2 things so I can go back and forth. Yeah. I made my magnesium drink. I'm just watching my show and then I'll take him out in like a couple of minutes. Like an hour or 30 minutes. I'm finally done for the day. Traffic lights being hard. Okay, I'm gonna
gonna go pick up some water and some marinara sauce. I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but I really need the water. I used faucet water to get magnesium drink, but the water in Jersey tastes very chlorine-like, and I don't know if that's healthy. I don't know. I'm just gonna get water. Good morning. Vlog. Let's try this again. I am finishing my run. I'm finishing my 22 miles today. I'm watching Black and Blue on Peacock. I've seen like clips on TikTok, so make sure that's just one. Okay, I'm back in bed. I ran 4.18 miles to get to 22. And it wasn't bad, actually. It was really easy. The movie is so good. I just came back to watch it. And then I'm going to go take Fox out. I'm like 56 minutes in. Yesterday and today, I think I picked good running movies. I watched 10 by 10 yesterday, which was good. I just didn't really like the ending. Because I was just like, you still go to jail. I don't care if he killed whoever he kidnapped her. Like, hello? And it didn't resolve in that way, I guess, and like I thought there would be more twisted turns for why she killed them. I don't know. Spoiler. But I really like this movie. Let's see how it ends. Like, how fucking cute is this dog? Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. He's cold, so I swaddled him. Sometimes he makes me meow. Like I can eat him, he's so cute. My little cinnamon swirl. Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch flakes. It was a good movie. Great actors. Loved it. 10 out of 10. Watch it. No wonder it's circulated on TikTok. Okay. Whoop whoop, this is the sun of bubblies. Having some of the rice and chili. Have some hot sauce with it. Watching some more of the Boyfriend show. Boyfriend on Demand. So good. Can't wait for her to see that she's in love with her coworker, but it's about the journey. Y'all, I passed out all day and then I have work soon. Why am I so sleepy? I had some oatmeal and then I had what you guys saw earlier. Me and Fox just slept and then we're gonna go to work in like an hour. No kiss? Oh, thank you, Bobby. It's 2 o'clock. Kind of waking him up from his nap. This pimple has destroyed my life enough. I'm going to put some tea tree oil on it just to hopefully dry it out. Washed my hair when I took a shower this morning, so I just put some castor oil in it too. Okay. Hopefully this will be gone by the end. And I have like this little guy here, a little bit here too. Hopefully this goes away soon. So I'm wearing this Peacock shirt from Target. These leggings, like generic black leggings from Amazon, and my very dirty Brooks I run with. I'm gonna need to get 2 pairs of shoes because I can't, the ones that I run with I shouldn't be walking around with, but we have limited funds, we have limited funds, my dude. Sundays. When we first leave the house, he's always the absolute worst. Like, that's when he's like pulling the most, being the most obnoxious, so I kind of try to let him empty out the tank before like fully walking, because he's pulling towards everything. It's just really annoying. I will say it is so nice outside. It's like 60 something. Oh, spring finally, hopefully. I don't want to jinx us, knock on wood, but so nice.